Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll talk about what to do when you can't open PDFs on an iPhone. As remote work and study gain popularity, it's vital to be able to access and manipulate PDF documents on the go. iPhone does make it, enabling users to directly open and read PDF files in several apps like Safari, Mail, WhatsApp, or Outlook. But sometimes, the iPhone won't open PDF files for some reason. Instead, it shows a dialog saying opening, even though the PDF is previously opened. If you have a similar problem, we've listed some causes and solutions to sort it out. Why can't I open PDF files on my iPhone anymore? Several things can cause problems with opening PDF files. The PDF might be damaged or corrupted. The app doesn't support the PDF file format or faces other issues. The PDFs are not fully downloaded due to poor internet network or limited storage space. If you tap a PDF document attachment in an email or other apps but nothing happens, it could be due to interference from unknown third-party apps. The PDF file may be encrypted. Next, this video will show you how to fix PDF not opening on iPhone. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 26. Work your way down until you can get a PDF file to open on iPhone properly. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. 1. Ask the sender to resend the PDF file. A corrupted or damaged PDF file cannot be opened correctly on your iPhone. To test if that's the case, request the sender to resend the PDF file via message or email. Once you receive the PDF file, download it. Here, to ensure a seamless download, connect your iPhone to a stable Wi-Fi network. Finally, see if you can open the PDF file on your iPhone. 2. Open the PDF file using another app. When you're unable to open PDF files from one specific app, try to download and copy them to other apps. If they allow you to open and view the documents without any issues, then reinstall the problematic app or upgrade it to its latest version. It's also worth mentioning that there are generally two types of PDF documents, standard and non-standard. The latter one requires a specific app to open, which is often used by official places, like governments, agencies, and schools. So, when the PDF is not opening on iPhone and it says the document you are trying to load requires Adobe Acrobat, then you'll have to get Adobe Reader to view it. 3. Restart the phone. If the PDF file can be opened on other devices like MacBook but fails to open on your iPhone, there might be a glitch with the phone itself. Here, a reboot could fix the issue. Follow these instructions. Press both the volume up and power keys simultaneously and hold them for a few seconds. For users of older models like iPhone 8 or 7, hold the power key. Slide the power off slider to shut down the device. 1 minute later, press and hold the power key to boot up your iPhone. Once it powers on, try opening the PDF file again to see if it functions properly. 4. Remove newly installed apps. Sometimes, iOS apps could cause conflicts with each other. So, make sure there are no third-party apps stopping you opening the PDF files on iPhone. After reviewing multiple forums, the following apps may be responsible: AliExpress, Alibaba, Virtual Speech, Adobe Scan, AOL, etc. Check your device and uninstall any of these apps if they are installed. If PDFs appear to be working again, then these apps could be the cause and consider using alternatives. 5. Install a new iOS update if available. Official discussions indicate that some users report a frequent iOS bug where iPhone stops opening PDF files. And the issue is often resolved after upgrading the device to the next new iOS version. If you suspect this might be the problem, follow these instructions to check if any new updates to iOS are available. Navigate to Settings. Tap on General, choose Software Update, and soon the device will start checking for updates. If it shows a new iOS version, follow the prompts to download and install the firmware and test if all PDF files are finally opening automatically. If it says the device is up to date, then move to the next solution. 6. Fix PDFs not opening in Safari. Here are some tricks you can attempt when an iPhone doesn't open PDF files in Safari. First, clear the history data. Go to Settings, tap Apps, choose Safari, tap History and Website Data, tick All History, and tap the red Clear History button. Second, disable extensions. Back to Safari, tap Extensions, tap the plugin's name, and toggle off Allow Extension option. Third, switch the default browser. Back to Safari. Tap default browser app and tick to another browser. Don't forget to test if you can now open and see PDFs on iPhone now after each action. 7. Fix PDFs not opening in iCloud. Try to sign out and sign in back to your iCloud account. Here's how to do that. Open Settings. Tap the name of your iPhone at the top. Next, scroll down to the bottom and hit Sign Out. If prompted, enter the Apple ID password to turn off Find My. Then, choose Sign Out but don't erase. Enter the passcode and tap Confirm and sign out. Once signed out, wait for a few minutes, tap Apple account at the top. Key in the Apple ID and password to sign in iCloud again. After that, see if you are able to open PDFs again on your iPhone. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on what to do when you can't open PDF files on iPhone. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in getting a PDF file to open again. If you did, please consider liking and buying this video a super thanks. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more tech-related content. Until next time.